Join me as I take on the challenge of drawing a Spider-Man portrait like a pro. Let's see if I can nail it. Hello and welcome back. Every great drawing starts with a solid foundation. Right now, I'm blocking in the basic shapes, making sure the proportions are just right. Spider-Man's mask might look simple, but the curves, symmetry, and iconic eye shapes have to be spot on. Here's where it gets tricky: the webbing. One mistake, and it throws off the whole illusion. The goal: keeping the lines clean and the perspective natural, so it feels like the mask is wrapping around his face. What's your favorite version of Spider-Man? The classic red and blue, or the dark and edgy symbiote suit? Let me know in the comments. I'm carefully shading to give the suit a sleek, slightly metallic look, rather than just a flat black surface. The challenge is keeping the highlights sharp while blending shadows smoothly. The raised webbing catches the light differently than the fabric underneath. So, I'm using a mix of bold highlights and subtle gradients to create depth and make those patterns pop. Some parts of the suit reflect more light than others. The black sections absorb more light, while the silver tones in the webbing have a more reflective quality. Adding the last details, extra depth in the shadows, crisp highlights, and a few texture effects to make the suit look even more dynamic. This is where the drawing really pops. What's harder, drawing Spidey's webbing or his expressive mask details? Let me know in the comments. And there we have it, Spider-Man, fully drawn with all his iconic details and textures. Did I capture his heroic essence? Let me know. And if you love seeing art challenges like this, don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more epic artwork. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.